Hey everybody, this is SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash with an update on areas of flash flooding. We talked about this in our first video, that anything that was on radar today would have heavy rain potential, 1 to 2 inch per hour rain rates, and that unfortunately is what's unfolding here. This is a 1 hour lapse. Mind you, the time of taping is around 7:30 here local time. We've got several areas under flash flood warnings. I suspect we will get additional flash flood warnings. As you can see, a lot of this stuff unfortunately is stationary, and right now the northeastern corner of Marion County, good portion of Boone and Hamilton getting drilled right now, and you extend back to the northwest and you got more heavy rain. So we've got a long evening ahead of us here. I'll dive in and again we'll show you kind of what's happening here. Radar estimates and ground truth of nearly 4 inches per hour, or within an hour's time period, on the northeastern corner of Marion County. This includes Castleton near Devonshire, Hague Road, right up there at the 465-69 interchange. Radar estimating nearly 4 inches of rain. And we've been seeing some of the traffic cameras, a lot of cars pulling off, blinding rain, just torrential Florida type rainfall, and that extends up into Hamilton County. So that's where the flash flood warning goes until 11:30. We also have another flash flood warning for Tippecanoe County until 10 p.m. And again, I think we may get some more warnings down the road here, as you'll see everything on radar, kind of, especially with this little spoke of energy that's moving through Crawfordsville. So this axis right through central Indiana is going to be under the gun here. And so there are going to be some amounts, unfortunately, that probably push about 5-6 inches, I think, locally. Maybe not widespread, but just based on radar trends. So here's what's shaking. A lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We touched on this earlier. We got dew points that are in the 70s, so a lot to drain out of the atmosphere. We're going to stay very sticky. Oppressive humidity tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Wednesday will be the peak of the mugginess, if you will, before we get some relief middle part of the week. But to get there, we're going to have to go through these pockets of flooding rainfall storms tonight, and then things should settle down after midnight. I think fog's going to be a big problem tomorrow morning, especially areas that get drilled with this heavy rain. Planner on Monday will include more scattered thunderstorms, and just like today, anything that fires will have flash flood potential. Tuesday, we're near 90. You factor in the tropical air, we'll have a heat index close to 100. As Future Track 13 going into Tuesday will have hit and miss storms around, but if they hit, they'll hit big. Wednesday, most of the action doesn't occur until very late in the day. Preceding this boundary, we squeeze out about 92 for a daytime high, with a heat index anywhere from 100 to perhaps 108. So just really, really oppressive heat Wednesday. Backside of that boundary, much better shape. Wednesday, or I should say Thursday and Friday, very nice and dry, and much of next weekend will be dry as well. Use caution on the roadways here with this rainfall. Is going to add up very quickly. We will have a full recap tonight at 11. Send your pictures to us on Twitter as well as Facebook and Google+. Thanks for choosing us for your local weather information.